If you wanna make the world a better place, take a look at yourself and make that change.
Come here, TJ. Come taste this. I know I done started. Can I say something? Don't do that. Go put it in the trash.
Mommy, you know, say TJ ain't no like that, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Who?
Last night, I want to eat at home, said, you're not black.
Invite another creator or co-host. Let me see something.
For black people food and eating up it. Yeah.
Every time I try inviting me offline, I want to him. Alright, TJ, so you ready? Yeah.
Yeah.
So my son wants to do this little toxic waste thing. So we'll see how this is. You want to say hi? They can't even see you.
They did see my hand. They did see my hand.
You better watch yourself, you know? Oh, which one do you want to try first? Alright, so he wants to try this toxic waste thing. Some sour candy. Let me tell you something. Oh, there are different flavors in there. So guess what? We're trying all of them. Here. Let me see this one. Yep, here you go. So you gotta try all three of those, one at a time. Which one do you want to try first? What's the yellow one? Lemon?
No.
Oh no, hold up. They all got different flavors in there.
They got different flavors.
Because this one is apple. Here. This one, let's just try the apple. Let's go.
Watermelon. This one's black cherry, apple.
Alright, let's try the
and
apple
lemon.
real quick.
Okay, so I'm trying. Oh, you're trying the apple?
Yep, sure am.
I'm trying. Ow, my bone. Ow, my hips. They hurt. Oh my gosh.
Just try. You gotta hold it. You gotta hold it in. Come stand here, because this was your idea. Stand right there. You better hold it in. That was your idea. You wanted it. That one right there. Toxic waste apple sour candy. No. I'm not trying that. Not one more of them. You try them. Yep, this was your idea.
I'm trying lemon.
There you go. Stand right here. You try them right there.
Oh my god.
I got you. I'll open it for you.
That's spicy. Oh.
So you want to try lemon?
Why is the lemon so small?
They're all small.
Oh, this kind of looks like a jam.
I got faith in you, TJ. Go ahead. Go ahead. How's the lemon?
Sour.
You wanted them. You can't do it, huh? Come. Listen. I got a challenge for you. Let's do the watermelon next. Whoever holds it in the longest gets $5.
Bro, I'm not doing it.
Come on. Don't chicken out on me, TJ.
I want to try those gumballs. Gumballs.
No, not yet. Hold this one. If you hold it in longer than me, you get $5.
No.
Not yet.
This is hard. This is gonna be hard. Than I thought
I
it
got
was.
faith in you.
$5.
If you hold it in, come on.
Why just give me 20?
Just come on. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. For $5. TJ, you just ate the sour candy like it was nothing for $5? I still got mine. Hold it together. $5 is on the line.
Well, I just.
You still got half left. So what you thought?
Bro, that's sour. I'm not doing it.
Okay, I won.
Okay, I'm just gonna go drink some chocolate milk.
Ugh. Whoever made this is the devil. Manufactured by Candy Dynamics. This is the devil's work right
Wait,
here.
what about these sour
I'm not
gumballs?
trying. I'm not trying no more.
I'm trying these sour gumballs.
I'll try these and that's it.
I hope they're not sour
That's
because
it.
they're gumballs. Ow.
That was bad.
My hips are broken. Right here.
Once I tap your fat boy, your hip broke. What color do you want?
I want the blue.
He wants to try these things.
Blue. I am blue.
There you go.
Ow.
I'll try
Wait,
these.
I see some stuff in there. I must
Listen.
Tastes bad.
Smog balls. They're not bad.
Oh, my stomach is very.
They're sour, but they're tolerable compared to these things. They're tolerable.
Oh. Ow.
That was your idea.
What do you mean?
For to try all that sour stuff.
Yeah, my hips start to hurt.
It hurts?
Yeah.
Don't eat no more then. Yeah, those are terrible. Drink some water. There's some right there. Drink some water.
Ow.
What else? What do you want to do to win this $5 back? Not the sour stuff. I'm not eating no sour candy.
What about we do those?
I know what we can do. Hold on.
My hips hurt.
Your hip?
Yes, they hurt.
Where your hip there? That's why your hips, honey.
TJ, where about that sweet today?
I don't know.
It's in there. See here.
Mom, right there.
Where? Okay.
I was telling you that.
I know what we're gonna do. Nana, can you call the candy for us?
You want to fight under them?
No. I will.
You feel like
No. It's.
Mommy, you can't call the candy? I know what we gonna do for this $5. Okay,
Listen, want to more?
you're not gonna eat it.
Okay. Ow, that hurts.
Good. You sure? Okay. Alright, so all this candy right here.
Have a problem.
So your grandma is gonna, your grandma's gonna call the candy. And then We're gonna see who grabs it first. Whoever has the most candy in the end, they'll win. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
We'll come in the middle, so it won't look like I'm cheating.
Sour patch.
Okay, see, all right. Go again. Go again.
Swedish fish.
give me a chance.
You're
Go
not.
ahead.
M&M's.
Go ahead. I got this one.
Dots.
Uh-huh.
Well, you only got one and I got three.
That's fine. Go ahead.
Nerds. Milk duds.
TJ, I mean, stay on your side.
Okay, no.
I'm ready.
Mike and Ike.
I got that.
Trolley.
Yeah.
No.
You won the $5.
I want the $5. Ow.
No, 'cause that's cheating right
She'll
there.
get more.
No, now he's gonna pull out the chips.
Yes. Because I got to win my $5 back.
And I'm gonna win my candy back.
Good luck. I got to win my $5 back. Come on.
You should get dressed to take the round.
No.
Yeah. Hold on. Let me get some more chips.
Oh, I already ate off the blue ones.
Confession is good for the soul.
Okay, I'm gonna win this $5, the $1. I could win every
Okay, I'm ready. I'm trying to win my $5 back.
You trying to win. You trying to win me.
Let's go.
I know they wrap one now.
You gotta look all in and Louisiana heat.
Okay. Sour cream and onion lace. Red Doritos.
Jeez.
I just have to start.
Okay, I'm ready.
Cheetos.
No!
Rap Louisiana heat. Fritos.
No! Yeah, but I got a lot.
I'm
Skittles.
trying not to cheat. I wasn't even ready.
She said go.
Wrap all in.
Jeez. All right. Oh, you got it.
Blue Doritos.
No! Yeah, but look, I have a lot.
You still got more than her.
Yeah, I got more than her. Okay, my hips are starting to feel better.
Come on, we're not turning, so if I lose, you see.
When you're not winning, no skin on his skin, so
Now, whenever I'm losing, sick. Whenever I'm win,
just call yellow, big or small.
Oh, man.
I'm trying to win my money back.
I'm trying to win my money back. Oh, there. Oh, she's making drinks much more harder. Well,
I'm trying to win my money back. I'm ready.
Yeah, and I'm trying to win my snack back.
I'm ready.
oh, damn.
If you don't know, just call. You can just call the color. Vitamin water.
Yeah.
Or small orange or something.
Small yellow.
No! You too far. They're too
Sorry, you're right. Go ahead. I'll go back a little bit.
Little purple. I guess it's purple.
What? How am I supposed to get? He was like this.
No, you
Okay,
you did.
okay.
You have to pick it up.
Okay.
You realize the vitamin watercolor them? They're like 2 red ones.
One red, one pink, one purple-ish.
Big yellow.
Big yellow.
Well, you jump in front of everybody like Captain America.
No.
Orange drink.
No.
Let's see. Okay.
Pink vitamin water.
What? You can't just give it your eyes just because it's your grandson.
I
Y'all
said
cheat. Y'all are
pink.
cheat. You gave him the look like.
Oh, please, come on. Did I do that,
Come.
TJ?
No.
Okay.
Come. See,
I'm
y'all
trying
keep making
I'm trying
eye
not to make
contact.
eye contact with you, TJ.
Okay.
Purple vitamin water.
I was kind of hurry.
There's no point in trying to win my money back.
No chance.
Blue drink.
No. There's one more.
I know. Red vitamin water.
Yes. My money.
Three
Cut
rounds.
off.
I have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Put them right here.
Five.
Count them and put them right here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, give me that water.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14.
15.
No, 15. I got 15.
Fine.
Oh, Lord.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Good job,
9,
Kenya. You won.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
No, that's cheating, so I won. You lost.
You sure won, grandson. Yay!
No,
Grandson
because
is
you have
champion.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
That's all I got.
You can't.
There go your $5.
Yeah. Now I can put this in my jar.
All right, y'all. Appreciate y'all joining. As y'all can see, it's all cheaters, and they're all teaming up against me. I appreciate y'all joining. Hopefully somebody felt bad for me. I feel bad for myself. But appreciate y'all joining. Hope y'all had a happy Thanksgiving, and you're having a good Black Friday.